Hi, this is Rob. The Ninja AF101 air fryer that air fries, roasts, reheats, and dehydrates. With this air fryer, a fan circulates super hot air up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit around the food to remove moisture from its surface to give it that golden brown crispy finish. It's a bit like a convection oven. The circulating air cooks the outside of the foods first, which creates a crispy brown coating and keeps the inside soft, just like deep-fried foods. As the food cooks, a container below the basket catches any grease that drops. An air fryer can cook pretty much anything that you would normally fry in oil, such as chicken, chicken fingers, chicken nuggets, fish sticks, vegetables, onion rings, French fries, both frozen and hand-cut fries, and frozen mozzarella sticks. You do not have to use any oil to cook with this air fryer, but for best results, use a tablespoon of oil. The dimensions of this 1550 watt air fryer are 11 inches wide, 13.3 inches high, and 13.6 inches from front to back. It weighs 10.5 pounds and the electrical cord is 2 feet 7 inches long. What do you get in the box? The air fryer housing, a ceramic coated non-stick basket with handle. The basket has a 4-quart capacity, which means you can air fry 2 pounds of French fries. A ceramic coated non-stick crisper plate. The crisper plate elevates the food in the basket so air can circulate under and around the food. A stainless steel multi-layer rack. This multi-layer rack is useful if you do not want to stack food only on the crisper plate. You also get an owner's manual, quick start guide, and a 20 recipe booklet. The control panel. The power button to turn on and off the air fryer. The air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate cooking functions. Most people will use the air fry and roast cooking functions. Remember, if you get any value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in buying this, please use the Amazon links below. Each one of these cooking functions starts with its own default cooking temperature and default cooking time. If needed, adjust the cooking temperature here and adjust the cooking time here. The Start/Pause button, used to start cooking and to pause cooking. How to use the air fryer. Preheat. Just like an oven needs to be preheated before you place something in the oven, an air fryer also needs to be preheated. For this air fryer, it is recommended to preheat for 3 minutes before you add the food. To preheat, put the basket with the crisper plate into the air fry housing without any food in the basket. Press the cooking function you plan to use. Adjust the cooking temperature to the temperature you plan on cooking the food. Then adjust the timer to 3 minutes. Press the start button to begin preheating. After 3 minutes, the air fryer will beep and end will display in the LCD. Pull open the basket and place the food inside. After the food is inside, press the on button. Press the cooking function button you want to use. The default temperature and time will display. Adjust these if needed and press the start button to begin cooking. You can press pause any time to pause cooking, to pull the basket out and check the food or shake the food. Some types of food need shaking halfway through the cooking time, such as small foods that are stacked, like French fries. Without shaking, foods may not be crispy or evenly cooked. You can flip other foods, such as steak, to ensure even browning. To shake the food, press pause. Pull out the basket and shake it. Place the basket back in the air fryer and press start. The air fryer will continue cooking where it left off. When the air fryer is finished cooking, it will beep and end will display in the LCD. Okay, that is it. I hope that you like this air fryer.